That's 30 grams of protein and 360 calories disguised as a dirty, juicy Hot Pocket. You're welcome. They're freezer friendly, easy to reheat, and 100% free of any life choice regrets. 8 pockets, insane macros, and zero disappointment. We're starting with the filling so it has time to cool down while we prep the dough later. Heat a large pan on high heat and hit it with some cooking spray. Add 400 grams of extra lean ground beef. That's about 14 ounces. Spread it out and let it brown. We want a hard sear here. Don't stir immediately. Break it up once it's browned and keep cooking until no pink remains. This is the base of our cheeseburger vibe, so don't rush it. Now add 1 medium white onion, diced super fine. We want it to melt into the beef. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes until translucent. Then the seasoning. 1 teaspoon smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, salt and black pepper, and optional cayenne if you like a little danger. Stir everything well so the spices coat the beef evenly. Time to turn this into cheeseburger filling, not just seasoned beef. Pour in 60 milliliters of beef broth, about 1/4 cup, and reduce the heat. Add 30 grams of ketchup, 1 teaspoon mustard, and 1 teaspoon Worcestershire sauce. This combo gives sweetness, tang, and depth. Let it simmer gently for about 5 minutes. You want most of the liquid gone, but not dry. If it looks wet, keep cooking. Excess moisture is the enemy of good Hot Pockets. Now kill the heat. This part is important. Stir in 40 grams of light cream cheese, about 1.5 ounces. It melts into the beef and makes everything rich without tons of fat. Next, 60 grams of 0% Greek yogurt, roughly 1/4 cup. We add it off heat. If you add yogurt to a boiling pan, it'll curdle and look like something you'd find in a locker room shower. Then fold in 60 grams of finely chopped pickles. That's your classic cheeseburger acidity. Mix gently until everything is combined and let it cool fully. Patience pays off here. By the way, if you're still eating dry chicken and rice, hit the subscribe button and drop a like for your own sake. Don't be a hero, join the team. Now, time for the dough. This is a yogurt-based dough, which already tells you we're not here to waste calories. Into a bowl goes 400 grams of all-purpose flour, about 3 1/4 cups. Add a teaspoon of salt, nothing crazy, just enough so it doesn't taste like regret. Then 8 grams of baking powder, roughly 2 teaspoons. It acts as a leavening agent in this dough, reacting with the yogurt and heat to create little air pockets that make the Hot Pockets fluffier and less dense, especially helpful after freezing and reheating. And the Greek yogurt, 390 grams, about 1 1/3 cups plus 2 tablespoons. 0% fat, but all the creamy vibes. This combo gives us structure, softness, and protein in one move. This is the part where people panic. Don't. Mix everything together until it just comes into a rough dough. Once it looks shaggy, ditch the spoon and go in with your hands. No need to knead like you're mad at it, just gentle pressure. 2 to 3 minutes is plenty here. You'll feel it go from lumpy to smooth, and that's your cue to stop. Roll it into a ball, cover it, and give it a quick break from all that manhandling so the gluten can relax. 10 to 15 minutes max. After resting, the dough should feel softer and more cooperative. Cut it into quarters first. This keeps things even. Then cut each quarter in half to get 8 equal pieces. Roll each piece into a smooth ball using your palm. Take one dough ball and keep the rest covered so they don't dry out. Roll it thin, about 15 to 17 centimeters, roughly 6 to 7 inches. Spoon 1/8 of the beef filling into the center. Spread it slightly, leaving space around the edges. Add 25 grams of low-fat cheese, about 1/4 cup shredded. Now fold the edges toward the center like you're wrapping a gift. Press firmly to seal, no gaps. Flip it seam side down and gently flatten it. If something peeks out, pinch it closed. Any leaks now will only get worse later. Take your time here. Heat a pan to medium and add cooking spray. Place the Hot Pockets in and cover with a lid. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes per side. The lid traps steam, cooking the dough inside. Meanwhile, the outside gets golden and crisp. Flip gently and repeat. Color tells you everything you need to know. Too pale means undercooked dough. Too dark means too much heat. Goldilocks zone. Each Hot Pocket comes in at roughly 360 calories and about 30 grams of protein. Let them cool completely before storing. Wrap each one individually in foil or freezer bags. For reheating, just unwrap, wrap in a damp paper towel, and microwave for 3 to 4 minutes until hot. Then finish in a pan or air fryer for 2 to 3 minutes. Crispy outside, juicy inside. Meal prep perfection. Click here for another high-protein recipe. Your future self will thank you for this one.